Philadelphia Naval Shipyard. Night. A dense fog rolled in from the Atlantic, blanketing the historic shipyard. The air, thick with the scent of salt and rust, carried an eerie stillness. Amongst the looming silhouettes of warships, a chilling tale was whispered, a tale of a ship that vanished into thin air. The Philadelphia experiment, as it came to be known, has captivated and confounded minds for decades. Some dismiss it as pure fantasy, a nautical myth. Others hold it as a clandestine government operation gone awry. Whatever the truth may be, the story of the USS Eldridge continues to intrigue, a ghostly echo in the annals of naval history. Our journey takes us back to the height of World War II, a time of unprecedented technological advancement and fierce global conflict. The United States Navy, locked in a deadly battle for supremacy on the high seas, sought any advantage it could get. It was during this time that the USS Eldridge, a Cannon-class destroyer escort, entered the scene. Launched on July 4, 1943, the Eldridge was a formidable vessel, equipped with the latest technology. Little did anyone know that this seemingly ordinary warship would become entangled in one of the most enduring mysteries of the 20th century. The USS Eldridge was initially assigned to convoy escort duty in the Atlantic, her mission protect vital supply lines from German U-boats. The Eldridge performed admirably, proving her worth in numerous engagements. However, fate, it seemed, had other plans for the destroyer escort. Rumours began to circulate about a top-secret experiment, a project so audacious it bordered on the impossible. The objective to render the USS Eldridge invisible to enemy radar. The method, a revolutionary technology known as degaussing, which involved wrapping the ship in massive electrical coils. The experiment, according to legend, took place in the Philadelphia Naval Shipyard in October 1943. The details of what transpired that day remain shrouded in mystery and contradiction. Some accounts describe a greenish fog engulfing the Eldridge, followed by its sudden and complete disappearance. Others claim the ship reappeared in Norfolk, Virginia, hundreds of miles away, before returning to Philadelphia moments later. The alleged side effects on the crew were even more bizarre and disturbing. The accounts of the Philadelphia experiment, often sensationalized and contradictory, paint a picture of scientific ambition gone horribly wrong. Some say the intense electromagnetic fields used in the experiment had unforeseen and devastating consequences on the Eldridge and her crew. Sailors were said to have suffered from nausea, disorientation, and even worse. Some allegedly vanished entirely, never to be seen again. Others were said to have been fused with the ship's metal bulkheads, their bodies merged with steel in grotesque tableau. The most disturbing accounts describe men driven mad, their minds shattered by the experience. They spoke of other dimensions, of time distortions, and of horrors beyond human comprehension. These tales, whispered in hushed tones among sailors, added a chilling layer to the already unsettling legend. However, despite the vivid descriptions and emotional testimonies, a critical question remains. How much of this is truth, and how much is the product of an overactive imagination fueled by the anxieties of wartime? To separate fact from fiction, we must turn to the cold, hard evidence. At the heart of the Philadelphia experiment legend lie the testimonies of those claiming to be witnesses. One of the most prominent figures is Carl Meredith, a merchant seaman who claimed to have witnessed the Eldridge's disappearance from his ship off the coast of Philadelphia. Meredith's account, detailed in letters he wrote to Morris K. Jessup, a UFO researcher, became a cornerstone of the Philadelphia experiment narrative. Another key figure is Alfred Bielik, who emerged in the 1980s, claiming to be a survivor of the experiment. Bielik's story is perhaps the most bizarre and controversial of all. He claimed to have jumped overboard as the Eldridge became enveloped in the green fog, only to find himself transported to the future and caught in a time warp. Bielik's account, though lacking in verifiable evidence, captured the public imagination and fueled the flames of speculation. His story, riddled with inconsistencies and often contradicted by historical records, is a testament to the power of suggestion and the human desire to believe in the extraordinary. However compelling these personal accounts may seem, it is crucial to approach them with a healthy dose of skepticism. Memory is a fickle thing, prone to distortion and embellishment, especially when dealing with traumatic or extraordinary events. Section 5, Science Steps In, Unraveling the Enigma. The Philadelphia experiment, with its tantalizing blend of science fiction and wartime intrigue, has been a source of fascination for scientists and skeptics alike. The central premise of the experiment, rendering a ship invisible while seemingly impossible, has roots in real scientific concepts. Degaussing, the process of reducing a ship's magnetic signature to avoid detection by magnetic mines, was indeed a common practice during World War II. However, the idea that degaussing could somehow make a ship vanish from sight is a significant leap of faith. The laws of physics, as we understand them, do not allow for the kind of large-scale invisibility purported by the Philadelphia experiment. Electromagnetic fields, while capable of interacting with light and other forms of electromagnetic radiation, cannot simply erase an object from existence. Furthermore, the alleged side effects on the crew, such as teleportation, time travel, and fusion with the ship's hull, defy all known laws of physics and biology. These claims, while intriguing, fall squarely into the realm of science fiction, lacking any scientific basis. Section 6. The experiment's enduring legacy. Despite the lack of concrete evidence and the debunking efforts of scientists and researchers, the legend of the Philadelphia experiment endures. The story has been featured in numerous books, documentaries, and even a Hollywood movie. The image of the USS Eldridge, shrouded in green fog, has become an iconic symbol of government secrecy and the potential dangers of unchecked scientific ambition. The Philadelphia experiment has also left its mark on popular culture. The story has been referenced in TV shows, songs, and video games. It has inspired countless works of fiction, from time travel adventures to tales of government conspiracies. The experiment's enduring legacy is a testament to the power of mystery and the human fascination with the unknown. Even in the face of reason and evidence, the allure of a good story, especially one that taps into our deepest fears and desires, can be incredibly powerful. The Philadelphia experiment serves as a cautionary tale, reminding us of the importance of critical thinking and the need to question even the most compelling of narratives. Section 7. Conclusion: The allure of the unknown. The legend of the Philadelphia experiment, though likely rooted in a combination of wartime secrecy, scientific experimentation, and good old-fashioned storytelling, continues to capture the imagination. It speaks to our fascination with the unexplained, the desire to believe that there are forces at work in the universe beyond our current understanding. The story of the vanishing ship, whether true or not, serves as a reminder of the power of the human mind to both create and perpetuate myths. It highlights the importance of seeking evidence, questioning assumptions, and approaching extraordinary claims with a healthy dose of skepticism. As we delve into the annals of history, we must remain mindful of the blurry line between fact and fiction. The Philadelphia experiment, while likely more myth than reality, offers a valuable lesson in critical thinking and the enduring allure of the unknown. What really happened that day in the Philadelphia Naval Shipyard? The answer, shrouded in the mists of time, may forever elude us. But the search for truth, the quest to unravel the mysteries of the universe, will continue to drive us forward. Section 8, Bibliography, Berlitz, Charles, The Philadelphia Experiment, Project Invisibility. Asterisk, Gurman, Robert alias Carlos Allende, The Curious Case of Carl M. Allen and the Philadelphia Experiment.